Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore.
There's some visitor tapping at my chamber door. Only this and nothing more. "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. Some late night visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. 'Tis this and nothing more. Sir or madam, truly your forgiveness I implore. The truth is, I was napping, and so gently you came rapping, that I scarce had thought I heard you. "'Tis something knocking at my window lattice. 'Tis the wind and nothing more. Though thy crest be shorn and shaven thou art sure no craven, ghastly grim and ancient raven wandering from the nightly shore. Tell me what thy lordly name is on the night's Plutonian shore." "Other friends have flown before. On the morrow he will leave me, as my hopes have flown before." "Doubtless, what it utters is only stocking store." "Wretch, thy God hath lent thee, by these angels he has sent thee, respite, and nepenthe from thy memories of lost Lenore. Quaff, oh quaff, this kind nepenthe, and forget this lost Lenore." "Nevermore." "On this home by horror haunted, tell me truly, I implore, is there balm in Gilead? Tell me, I implore." "Nevermore." "Prophet, thing of evil, prophet, still, if bird or devil, by that heaven that bends above us, by that God we both adore, tell this soul with sorrow laden, if within the distant Aidenn I shall clasp a sainted maiden, who the angels named Lenore. Clasp a rare and radiant maiden, whom the angels named Lenore." "Nevermore." "Be that word our sign of parting, bird or friend. Get thee back into the tempest and the night's Plutonian shore. Leave no black plume as a token of that lie thy soul hath spoken. Leave my loneliness unbroken. Quit the bust above my door. Take thy beak out of my heart, and take thy form from off my door." "Nevermore."
And the raven, never flitting, still is sitting above my chamber door, and his eyes have all the seeming of a demon's that is dreaming, and the lamplight o'er him streaming throws his shadow on the floor, and my soul from out that shadow lies floating on the floor.